Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is November the 3rd. We are out here in Canton, Georgia. This is a new client. She found me on Google, and I never came out and did an in-home consultation. We booked it off of pictures and measurements. And what we're going to be doing today, guys, here is an engineered floor. It is going to be a screen recoat with UV Cure, and also we're going to be doing her granite countertops. So she's getting ready to move into this home. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in Canton, Georgia. It was about a good hour and a half drive from where we are, and again, this is why I do give clients the options to either send pictures and measurements, or they can book a in-home consultation, which is $125, but it does come off the back end. I actually had a lady book one this morning in Flyer Branch, and I'm going to go look at her floors next Monday. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and look at these floors. So this is an engineered floor. This floor cannot be sanded, but we can screen and recoat it. There is some type of film, not a wax, but something on this floor. And if you look really close, I'm going to zoom in. You'll see a lot of these micro scratches. See all that, guys? So when you walk in, let me flip this around. So like right there from the front door, you kind of see it from an angle, but there's like a lot of surface marks and little surface scratches on the floor. Whoever lived here before, they had a dog. So what we're gonna do, guys, is screen this floor down. Now, like I was telling my client, she's not here, but the floors, like right here, those are, you see right there, those are indentions. That comes from dragging something heavy across the floor, and it causes the floors to indent like a dent in a car. We can't remove that. And like I said, so overall the floors are not too bad, but again, you just see a lot of these micro scratches and footprints. Like I said, some type of residue on the floor. So we got this dining room right here, which isn't too bad. We also have this hallway leading from the garage. Again, if you zoom in, when I zoom in, see a lot of little surface marks. Oh, see right there. All right. And then you're gonna come in through the kitchen. Same thing in the kitchen, like right here, guys. This is a perfect example. Look right there. See all those surface marks? See all that? So that's what we're gonna remove today, guys, and then get some fresh, good coating on these floors. Got some indentions right here. Look like something was dragged across this floor really heavy. So all through the kitchen, okay? And then here, I was just telling her, my client, got a deep scratch right there. There's nothing we can do about that because the floors can't be sanded, so it can't be leveled down. And then there was also one right here. All right. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start screening this floor. And I think this floor is actually might lighten up a little bit because, like I said, there is some type of residue on this floor. Oh yeah, like look right here, guys. Let me zoom in and see right there. See all those? See all that? You're not gonna be able to see that when we're done. All right, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Canton, Georgia, we bring that shine. We pulled up early, sunrise on the line. Floors looking tired, but we knew they'd shine. Screen and recoat, satin smooth and pure. Hit that UV Cure, now that glows for sure. Won't let it shine, baby, shine so bright. Canton, Georgia, working day and night. From the floors to the stone, we make it brand new. Ain't nothing like the touch when the Truman crew come through.
countertops, clean, sealed, and bold, reflection so clear, you can see your soul. Every pass, every polish, we take our time, crafting beauty and love with that southern grind. So let it shine, baby, shine so bright. Canton, Georgia, working day and night. From the floors to the stone, we make it brand new. Ain't nothing like the touch when the Truman crew come through. UV light on the wood, make it clean. A granite glowing strong, that's the tune. That's the theme. Canton, Georgia. Yeah, we build that sheen. Let it shine.
Let it shine. From the floors to the stone, we take our time. Canton, Georgia, we bring that shine.
All right, guys. I just got to do that dining room. The real estate agent is pulling up. My client told me she would be coming by. I'm going to let her come on in and look at these floors. Man, these floors can't come on in.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Come in.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Come on and walk through. It's fine. You're not going to hurt it. So this is the UV Cure right here. This is instantly, you know how you go get your nails and your feet done? You put it on that light, this is what it's doing.
Okay, yeah, that's what I did today.
Yeah, see there? Yep.
Well, it looks super.
See all those scratches that she was concerned about? Yep, go ahead and walk through.
Oh, they look brand new.
Thank you. Now I will say this. I let the client say that I don't like to use the word brand new, but if you want to say that, I'll take it.
I think they look great.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna take a picture and show her.
Yeah, I'm going to send her some pictures as well. All right, guys. Sound like we did a good job. The real estate agent. And what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Brenda Later.
Miss Brenda. Okay.
I took a picture of your truck, so I've got your number.
Thank you. And also, too, we did her countertops. If you feel them, they feel nice and smooth. We did we buffed and sealed them.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Good to know.
Thank you. All right, guys. Well, we will be done in about 5-10 more minutes. Just got to do that dining room. But the floors came out great. The finish looks amazing on this floor. And one thing I love about this finish that we use, it can make an engineered floor look like a solid floor. And like I said, I did tell my client, the only thing that would not come out is that deep scratch. But, you know, she put a rug in there or some type of piece of furniture, you won't even notice it. But the floors came out amazing. Yeah, go on and walk through. It is fully cured.
Well, that's a great little machine.
Thank you.
All right. Well, good deal.
Well, thank you, Miss Brenda. Nice to meet you.
I hope I'll be seeing you again.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have my guy give you some of my brochures.
Okay.
Okay. Dining room. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wrap up with her, cut the lights off, and lock the door and put that key back where she showed me.
And where is the contractor box?
Well, there was no contractor box. She left it under the flower pot.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Thank you. Yeah, I've got to let somebody in the morning for her. So.
Yeah, let me show you where we left it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.